back, viewers. Our top focus are dramatic visuals coming in from Dubai. Iran has claimed drone attack on a Dubai hub. Tehran has basically said that they have struck Dubai's financial center. UAE authorities have confirmed the same. They've called it a minor incident. They've said that the drone has been intercepted over central Dubai. First of all, let's take a look at the visuals. And for that, we have Hina joining us from the studio. Hina, over to you. Take us through these dramatic visuals coming in.
You know, Iran has threatened to target economic centers of US and Israel in the Middle East. And over the last few days, we have seen how UAE clearly has been feeling the heat. We want to highlight for our viewers these visuals that we have got from Dubai. Now, viewers, these visuals are from the central part of Dubai. It is the financial center. There you can see the financial center where explosions were in fact reported earlier, and there you can see a thick plume of smoke emerging because the explosions were reported on this particular building. Now, Dubai authorities then came out with an official statement saying that basically this was the result of debris from a successful interception that was that caused this minor incident. So Dubai authorities have called it a minor incident, but this is an important image as this war enters day 14. What we are now witnessing is that the economic ports or economic hubs of Israel and US are now being targeted, and here Dubai once again taking all the headlines because getting into the limelight because of this particular explosion that was reported, but no injuries, no casualties because of this, and Dubai authorities are in fact calling it a minor incident.
Absolutely, that's the silver lining. But obviously, these visuals, viewers, are highlighting really how the war is escalating. Obviously, as my colleague Hina was also telling us, it's day 14th of the West Asia war. Iran is continuing to retaliate. The strikes, counter strikes are continuing. What's the latest, viewers? And that's the breaking news.